Wadlah kila don shibun ba ke jingken tho bat ke jingken no persya ya sarkar MDA balalam kemat da ke NPP halor ke jingpen bet yo put usam jong ke jela ka sarkar menta kala da bantau ya ke regional committee ha ke lai benta ha ka wat gabar penso sembut menteri rang ba ke jela uba Preston Tensong ha kilat patai kubor ha sekretariat uba Preston Tensong ulai thu balai teli ki komiti na ke benta ban shimti ya ke kampen bet put halang pi West Khasi District Bordua Nongwa Mau Temur Des Dumrich ke Blok 2 Hariboy District ke Blok 1 Psiar Khanduli West Giant Hills District uba Preston Tensong mulai turu bagi jingkiran penbet put Hariboy District un shimtihi ban long komu chairperson ya ke ba on don kidikot ki bakan thup ya umada sakiat bahala mere ubari minister in charge ke transport uba Emerald Bons im ubari MLA Jogonong Po constituency uba Jam Borwar executive member ke KHADC uba Rangken Sai Karbuki ubari MDC ke Umroy Deputy Commissioner ke Hariboy District kum member convener nangta uba Renington L Tongkar ubari minister in charge ke PHE kum chairperson ke West Khasi Hills kidikot gilong uba Mak Milan Bersat ubari MLA Jogonong Stoin constituency uba Kimfa S Marbaniang ubari MLA Jong Rambrai Jerngam uba Jigur Merthong Deputy CEM ke KHADC uba Bajok Pengrup ubari MDC Jong Rambrai Jerngam nangta Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills District uban long kum member convener yaitu uba Preston Tensong ha West Giant Hills lajit yoba singau bahlang dhar ubari minister in charge ke urban affair kum chairperson bat kidikot ki bakentup yoma Lakman Remboi ubari menteri ubari PI Kampoying nangta uba Komi Wan Ombon ubari MLA Jong Raliang constituency uba Nujor Ki Sungo ubari MLA Jong Mau Kayau constituency uma Thombor Shiwat ubari CEM ke JHADC Deputy Commissioner Jong West Giant Hills District kum member convener
45 days. Okay, so it does not mean within 45 days you have to complete it. Now, see, you cannot just say 45 days because when you have to sit with these stakeholders, it may take maybe 10 meetings, 6 meetings, or 5 meetings. Still, I can't say exactly whether we'll be able to complete it or not. But of course, in the notification they said, please submit the report within 45 days. The report means maybe only a report from our side, not the joint report from Assam, because we need to discuss all the details, all the nitty-gritty of these issues, taking into consideration the views, the opinions of the traditional heads up to the level of the Rambashram. Kalau kau ni, mentapi playo ini ke notification. Kalau belum UCM beri tu don por he, budon lang ke komiti. Naga daw namar da ngi sini ke bahap Khasi Autonomous District Council. We have 2 regional committee. Tapi you need to understand one thing. Ya ke problem. Ke problem kalau kumno pinbu UCM. Subuh menta don ke joint inspection ke pengihap lagi. Subuh habohir kadeh kaju dan siapa lampi isu lampi kadeh kaju kata kam lalong dan rai ngilabu pada ya KEM gila don hang tu de hang ni ka riboy rungibu ya UEM in charge of ilaka nang ta chatai siapa West ka tayabu you deputy CM jongka discouncil ka bamut gilong part and parcel hi jongka discouncil nalor nang ta kitu kilukal MDC ya don. That is true. Yang kata ngopi nado ke Supreme Court kalau ledang lepas. That's why now we have to strictly follow as per the MMDR Act. As per the Act we have to follow. And then quite a number of them they already applied for the mining lease. And the process is on. I'm sure very soon we will be able to issue the final mining lease to those leasee whatever. It should be according to the law. That according to the
total how many leases are there?
See, I can't say because now the application is flowing in. Because see, anybody can apply, but you need to also meet the criteria. You need to also do your document work as per the prescribed norms of the MMDR Act. Done the same way, the same thing. So I'm looking after Hariboy District again. And the members, I think you already know. Of course, we added another 2 more members. One is Mr. Sotun, and then number 2 is the local MDC, Mr. Victor Rani and Sotun. Because some more portion is is still still with the Jirang constituency. So both of them we already included in the list. So now the priority for the regional committee is to again have a meeting. We'll have a meeting ourselves first, not with the regional committee of the government of Assam. First we'll do our homework. We'll sit down. I will fix the date, but not immediately. I will fix the date where we have to call the like the SAME, this council, this AIM, then the Rangba Shinong and all. So we'll sit down separately. We'll discuss especially those issues which is located in their respective places. So that is the way forward where we need to do. And all the three regional committees, they will do also the same way. Because see, all these days, some people said no, we were not involved. Stakeholders for discussion. In fact, it was not true. We did it, and we had so many meetings before we fix for a joint inspection or before we meet the counterpart regional committee. First, we discuss among ourselves, and the same way we are going to do it this time.